friends, my name is Vicky. So here I am with the new AWS video. Now before I go to the demo, if you are here for the first time, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the new video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to host a static website in S3. Along with that, we are also going to see how to attach a bucket policy so that I can give read-only access to all the user who are going to access that website. Now for this demo, what we are going to do is we are going to download the sample content of a website from one of the site. Like I'm going to use this free-css.com, and if you want to follow along, you can also log into this website. You don't want to create an account on this website. This is absolutely free. So what you need to do is whatever the template you like, you just need to download that template. So let me click on this free SSS, and from here I can pick any of the template. Let's suppose if I like this template, and what I need to do is I need to download this thing. And once I'm going to download this thing, I need to go to that location, and this is going to be a zip file. I need to unzip that file, so let me show it to you. Let me go to the download folder. Now here I am in my so here I am in my download folder. So here, if I'm going to see, here is the website data we have. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the S3, and here we need to create a bucket. So how to create a bucket in the S3? So we need to click on here, create bucket, and here we can give a name. Let me give a name. From here we need to select a region, and after that we need to select the object ownership. So as of now, I'm not going to change any of the default option. I will go with the default option because each and everything I'm going to change once the bucket is created. So I'm not going to change any of the default setting from here. I'm just going to click on the create bucket. One thing you need to remember, whenever you are creating a S3 bucket, it should be, the name should be unique and it should be in the lowercase. Okay, now I have created the bucket with this name. Now here is my bucket. Now the next thing which I need to do is I need to upload all the data of my uh, you know the file which I have just downloaded. I'm so sorry. So let me go this one. So this data I need to upload here, everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select each and everything, and I'm going to drop it here. We have other options as well, like we can click on the add folder and then do that. So let me upload this thing. Now uploading will take time because it's more than 50 MB of the data, so it is going to take some time. That's okay, we are going to wait. So right now you can see it is 20%, 22, 23. So I will also provide you with the link of this website so you can follow along. You can, here we have a number of template. You can search for all those template. Like you can go here, whatever the template you like, and if you have a knowledge on the how to create a website, then you can also do the changes as per your requirements. So like I know how to do the changes, so I also go and customize my website. So but in this video I'm not going to show you how to customize the website. We are done. Let me close this thing and let me verify. Yes, we have each and every file here. Great. Now the next thing which I need to do is I need to go to the properties, and once I'm in the property, then we need to scroll down and we need to select the last option, that is static website hosting. We need to click edit and we need to click enable here. Now here we need to specify index.html. Save it. Now once I'm going to save it, what will happen, it is going to give me the URL like this. So I need to copy this URL and try to open this URL from a browser. Now here I will get the 403 forbidden error message. Now why I'm getting this error message? Because each and every file which is there in the S3 is secure by default. Now I have couple of options. What I can do is I can go to my objects, select each and every file, go to the action and make public using ACL. That is something I can do. As of now the option is disabled, that is fine, no issues. Now if I'm going to do it one by one, that is not going to help me, right? I need a way where whatever the you know folder or the file I'm going to upload in my S3 bucket, everyone in the world is able to access that thing. Now for that, what we need to do is we need to attach a bucket policy with it. Now from where to attach the bucket policy? For that we need to go to the permission. Now in the permission we have the bucket policy. Now here we need to attach the bucket policy. Now if you see, here we have the policy. Now here we need to enter the bucket policy. Now this bucket policy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the official website of the AWS, and from there I will get, I'm going to copy the policy. So AWS S3 read only access policy S3. Now here we have the example for the bucket policy. If we are going to scroll down, here we have the topics. Like the second one is granting read-only permission to the anonymous users. Let me go here, and here we have the policy. The only thing which we need to change here, that is this thing, the bucket name. So let me copy this thing and let me go here. Let me enter this content, and this one I need to replace with my bucket name. Now from where I will get my bucket name? Here is my bucket name. Let me copy this thing, let me enter it here and save the changes. Okay, now it is giving me an error message, you don't have permission to edit the bucket policy. Now then what I need to do is, first I need to do a couple of changes. For that, what I need to do is I need to go to the permission, block public access, and this is something I need to uncheck. Save, we need to confirm, done. Now let me go back to the bucket policy, click on edit. Okay, I need to copy the policy one more time. Let me copy the bucket name from here. Save it. It's done. Now you can see publicly accessible. That's great. Now let me go to the browser and refresh this thing. See, I'm able to access my website without any issue. Now everyone has read-only access, so they can actually read whatever the content is there on the website, but they are not able to do any of the changes. So this policy is going to help me with that. Now if we go in detail for this policy, now this policy says this is for public read, effect is allow, principal is char. Now this is the principal means the user. Well, let's suppose if I need to give access to a particular user, then what I am going to do is I am going to give the ARN of that particular user here. Now I need to give access to everyone, that is the reason I am using a star here. Now what action they can perform? They can perform the get object, they can get object version as well. Other than that, they are not able to perform any action on this. Okay, now let me go back here. Now let's suppose if I want to do some changes in my HTML. So now this is my index.html. Let me open this thing in Visual Studio. Okay, now let me do some changes. Okay, document type HTML, English basic, character, name, viewpoint. Let me go to the website and see what changes we can do. Home, let's search for this, home or welcome to LABSPA, lab spa. Let me search for that, lab spa. Okay, so here it is. Let me change this thing to welcome to AWS demo. Okay, now let me save this thing, save it, and now let me upload this file one more time to the S3 bucket. So here I am in my S3 bucket. Now let me show you how to upload file from here. we need to click on upload, add file, and we need to go to the download location where we have our file index.html. Done. We are done. Now let me refresh this page. Welcome to AWS demo. So see here, I have not given any of the permission changes, right? I have not given access to this index.html. I have just updated this file and I can see the changes on the website AWS demo. Now this is, we can this is something we can achieve with the help of the bucket policy. So bucket policy help me in order to give permissions, in order to restrict a permission. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel if you have still not subscribed my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the new video.